Hello people of this lovely world. Come out of hospital. I'm alright now. I don't want to go through it again. If it ever happens, I don't want to be around when it happens. But I'm alright now. And here we are. We've put this low drag generator together. And here we are, look. The magnets are in. And they were gorgeous. Bit of a problem there. Use spaces between everyone. It's a little bit wobbly still. These Cyprids don't know how to make things straight. They're all wobbly. So there you go. We put it on a piece of string because my poor monster over there, my silver monster is waiting for bits. There they are. I blew 40 capacitors. These are 5 more coils. They need to be put on the bottom of the wheel to complete the 16. So that's got to be done. I'm waiting for 40 capacitors. So I got on with the generator. Now, what we're going to do, we run it yesterday with a piece of string. I put the meter on. Let's have a look. There we are. Now, there you go. You can see that now. So, what I've done is, when I've built this stator, I've left. You see the start. That's the start. And that's the three-phase coming out. I've got them both out together, so if I want to, I can connect these with these and get a delta. At the moment I've got it on star, so these three are connected together for the star configuration. That's high voltage, low amps. So we'll see what happens, and if we find we're getting too high a voltage, we can then go to the delta, which will give us high amps, low volts, which could then run the grid inverters. If you're running this at 100 volts, then you need 100 volt grid inverters. But I've only got 52, so we may go for the delta, but we'll see. As you can see, just by hand with these on, I'm getting, just by hand, look, probably about 150 RPM, I'm getting nearly 30, nearly 30 amps, 30 volts. So without that on there, I'm getting about 5 volts. So, and as you can see, as Technomancer has said, there is no metal on here, and I'm very pleased because look, with the star connected, there is no drag. It's spinning really great, and we got it up to 500 RPM, and it gave us, let's see, this just by hand, it gave us 100 volts at 500 RPM. So there you go. I'm very pleased with that. This looks gorgeous. And another thing, imagine you've now got over a ton pulling power here and a ton this side, and there's so much power there, and yet watch this. This is metal, right? And watch this. Nothing. There's no pull on it at all, and yet look, see, now it's holding. So the magnet only works from there to there, but in here, look, nothing. I don't understand that bit, but it's good because it means if things, as this is spinning and things drop into it, that they won't stick. There is a danger that while this is spinning, maybe we need a bit of protection along here in case things drop in there. But that's the way it stands at the moment, guys. I'm making a new stator because The last one, I forgot about these. So when it was cast, that magnet and that magnet and that magnet give you one phase. Well, in that stator, which I forgot about, it's like that. One's like this. This one's like that. It's all over the place, and yet it's still giving us 100 volts at 500 RPM. So what I may do on this mold is to get little blocks just under 2 inches by 1 inch and screw them in here, so that you just take your stator, take your coils and sit them in, and they can't move. So I may just do that. But there you go, guys. This is where it stands at the moment. I'm going to Customs now to pick up the amazing capacitors. 63 volts, so I'm putting 7 together, so I'm getting 440 volts, something like that, because I need to run that machine without the Variax. So I'm going to run it on proper voltage. What you see is what you get, and that's that. The other thing Technomancer said, the holes on the wheel are making the wheel slow down. He's probably right. So I'm going to get some acrylic and I'm going to cover the wheel so there are no holes, and then we'll do a speed test and see if he's right. If he's right, then we don't need holes anymore, guys. Anyway, good luck to you all. It's great to be alive. No more beer, no more fags. A little bit of the other. But anyway, there you go, guys. And good luck to you all. Ta-ta.